In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam error 102 when you encounter the message unable to connect to the servers. This is an issue that many gamers face and can be quite frustrating, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through a straightforward process that should have you back in the game in no time. So let's dive right into it. First, what you need to do is open File Explorer on your computer. For those who may not be familiar, File Explorer is where you navigate through all the files and folders on your machine. You can find it on your taskbar, or by searching for it on the Start menu. Once you have File Explorer open, look over to the left side of the window where you'll see a section called This PC. Click on it. This PC will give you access to the various drives connected to your computer where all your data is stored. Next, you'll want to open the main drive where Windows is installed. This is typically labeled as Local Disk C or sometimes just C drive. Go ahead and double click on that drive. After you're in the C drive, the next step is to locate the folder named Program Files x86. Double click to open it. Program Files x86 is where many of your application files, including those for Steam, are stored. Within the Program Files x86, you'll see a folder named Steam. Open this to find all the files related to the Steam application. Now this part is crucial. You need to highlight every file and folder in the Steam directory. But here's the catch. Don't select the files named steam.exe or the folder Steam Apps. These are essential files that need to remain in place for Steam to function correctly and for your games to remain installed. You can use the Control key on your keyboard to selectively uncheck these as you highlight everything else. With the correct files highlighted, go ahead and hit the Delete key on your keyboard or right click and choose Delete from the context menu. This action will remove all unnecessary files that may be causing the connection error. Now it's time to reopen the Steam application. Navigate back to your desktop or Start menu, find your Steam icon and launch the app. When Steam starts up, it will automatically download any missing necessary files and update itself. This process not only fixes connection errors but can also solve other minor bugs and glitches within the app. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you should be able to resolve the Steam error 102 and ensure your Steam client is running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.